Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Quick, let's run. I'm trying to get away from you guys. Where are we going?
To the parade.
To the parade. Let's go to the...
Drive-in to squat in.
We're gonna go squat in a driveway.
Do you think you're being rude when we do that?
No, it depends. But I think we're usually good.
I don't know what that means. Because, like, it's a driveway still?
Yeah, but no one's gonna drive in it. Usually,
That's true.
and they can't technically even leave their driveway.
But then, you notice how, like, no one else sits in people's driveways?
No, they do. Everyone does.
They do?
Yeah, everybody does.
Okay, because
You're just
I wouldn't like
self-conscious.
to be a rude person.
Yeah, as long as you're not in their garage, you're good.
Damn it.
All right. Right? Who dressed you this morning?
Mama.
Oh, God. You better fire her. No, you looking good? Can you see yourself?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
All right. It's good. What was that?
That's cool.
That's gonna be hot. Do you want to grab it? Do you want it?
Well, don't run out to the street.
I'll get it. Okay, we'll charge up.
You're shooting off.
The real bullets just blanks. They just have gunpowder and nothing to shoot out. What did you say about
Thanks
it?
for lying to me.
What?
That was
What are you talking about?
pointless this morning.
Oh, it's hot.
That they were real. Yeah, it's hot.
Oh, that must be.
It's hot.
I told you that.
But I don't believe you.
Oh, Candy. Oh no! We forgot the other headphones. And you got boogers. Do you want me to get your... Hey.
Our ambulances are very loud.
Is this like year 3 that we've done this? How many years have we been recording this? Do you know how many years we've been recording our 4th of July parade? No, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Can you hear me?
Put it in my bag. So loud.
Oh, thank you. There's a lot of candy. Get up the rest of that candy. You can have some, yeah. Go and pick some. Which one would you like? Okay, and I'll put in. Alright. This will be for dessert. Oh, that's
Miss America. I know how to do magic. I win.
You want to do magic with your candy?
She looks so sad, like I'd actually eaten her candy.
How many of your candy? Jump cut.
Stand up and wait, I'm a child.
Do it, Mama. Stand up and wave your child. Wave your child then. Jump cut. See those? Stay away from them. There you go, yeah. You can wave. You need to run a little bit. Work those muscles. Here, let's work out. Bend those knees. Now jump. Jump. Is that a good exercise? Some good stretching? You ready for more candy? Oh, out of the Everett.
Am I still all wet? Did you get any of that? I was dripping. They were
Are you guys ready to go to the?
I want to see the first one.
Right, I'm trying to think of where we're going next. We're gonna go party next. Ever, do you like parties? Yeah.
Happy boy.
Say hi.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
That one is running.
Yeah.
I got a licorice.
Did that horse give you a licorice? Did the rider give you a licorice? Uh-oh. What is that?
Everett.
Here. We'll just wait around. Do you guys mind being on the vlog?
No.
Yeah. Are you under what's it called?
18?
No, that's not. I was gonna say protective services.
No.
Okay, good.
I'm not.
Witness protection. Yeah, that's what I was
Are
thinking.
you a minor?
Under 18. Yeah, that's a different. You're thinking of a different type of video.
Most patriotic shirts Ethan and I own are a NASA shirt.
Oh, nice.
Is the sand hot? Is the sand hot?
Little hot.
It is a little hot. Do you know who that is?
Bad, is it?
Do you know who that is?
The guy.
Or yeah, or who? Do you know who that is?
He is.
Do you know who he is?
No.
No. Do you know who that is?
Her?
Yeah, her.
What's her name?
It's April.
Hi, April.
You went to college with your dad and your mom.
Yeah.
Did you want to ask him his name?
What's her name? Hello, Ethan.
He sounded like that robot from the movie. I don't know, like Hale. Is it Hale? They're talking about Space Odyssey.
Oh, 2001?
Yeah. Hello, Hale. Or no, hello. What's his name?
That was a
Hello,
computer,
Dave.
right?
Yeah. What are you doing? Where'd Everett go? Everett!
Oh, she did. She was
Everett!
wearing shorts under her skirt.
Your son is
Everett, that's not
stealing
yours.
stuff.
Give
Hey!
that back. It is not yours. Everett, give it back to the lady. Give it to the lady.
Yeah, that nice man and woman let the kids use this kickboard. Which Evelyn is taking over.
Try it again.
How cold is it? Oh, not too bad. Ah! Ah! Say yes, yes, please. Say thank you. Oh, Everett. You sure feel it? Ah. Are you gonna get in the water, or are you just gonna walk on the rocks? Oh, nice jump. Ah. Can I help? Are you taking a break? You plug your fans? Still working on it. Yep, you gotta do like the kick. So you got it? You want me to hold your glasses? Yeah, I'll take out of your. Yeah, there you go. No, you don't stand on it. You get behind it and you kick it. Not like that at all. Not like that. Okay. Yeah, little man, it's your turn. That's pretty good. You want me to pull you out? Nope. We won't do that. Oh, so you need help? Stand up. Oh, look out. There you go. Are you alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try this.
Alright, Evelyn, it's Everett's turn. I know.
Did you see that?
I didn't. I missed it. What happened? Did you surf a wave?
Take down the ocean and I swim up.
Oh yeah, you went into the ocean and swam out?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
That's what they're good at.
That is what you're good at?
What
Okay.
this?
Do it. Okay. Evelyn, Everett gets to do it next. Is that yours, Leah?
No, it's not mine.
Oh.
Is he the one who knocked my tower over?
No, I didn't see it. Somebody knocked it over? Oh no.
I know who, but I won't give it away.
Yeah.
Although I gave part of it away.
Was it
Wasn't him.
Professor Plum?
In the library.
Oh. That's alright. Alright. I bet you it was Evelyn. Hey, can you give it back to the board and say thank you?
Can you give him his board back and say
Can you pick up? Yep. Can you pick up their board and pick it?
he needs a nap?
Okay, that's okay. We won't. All right, here. Do you want Dada to do it? All right. Yeah, thanks, man.
You guys have played so much. You should be grateful.
Yeah, we should actually do a couple laps. Yeah, I probably fell asleep. Yeah, exactly.
Don't like heckle you.
No, you can heckle me. I just, if I start talking to myself, I didn't like have a stroke or something. It's just I'm talking to the camera. Did you guys see what happened with Everett?
No, what?
So he was like swimming. So I was talking to that guy, the guy who let them use the thing, and he goes, "Is he all right?" And I turned around, and Everett was struggling in the water. So
I did see that. I wasn't sure what was happening. Like,
yeah, so I ran in, and the guy made fun of me a little bit because he's like, "You know that iPhone's waterproof?" Because like the first thing I did while I was running towards him was pull my phone out and held it up on my head. I thought,
I would have too. I wouldn't have.
yeah. Well,
they're waterproof now?
You remember your mom
No.
dropped hers in like the toilet or something?
I also know there's a difference between like waterproof and water resistant.
Yeah.
I couldn't remember, and also,
It was like I looked it up and her phone was like half hour water resistant.
oh, okay. Yeah, they, I also had a Garmin that like broke recently that was supposed to be like waterproof, and it literally just broke on my shelf. And then, did I tell you about that? The 360? That's the 360 camera. I'll tell you guys about it later.
Yeah.
So do you guys know where we're headed next?
Petrified Spring?
That's right. We're
First
gonna,
I'm gonna find a
ladies.
bathroom.
Yeah. I feel like I should put this like up front.
Hello!
So you guys can vlog. I think you'd like vlogging, April. You seem like the vlogging type.
I don't know what to talk about. When we watch those video game reviewers, I'm like, how are they able to talk this whole time?
Yeah, you just get used to it.
Yeah.
And then you edit it. So, I'm supposed to be telling you where to go. Hold on. Take a left.
Oh.
Sorry. Yeah.
Me.
Wait. This was in the gas station?
Yeah, in the gas station.
Okay.
And the cashier, maybe owner, I don't know. The customer thanked him. He said nothing to the customer. When I paid for mine, he thanked me and told me to have a good day. That was very disturbing to me.
Oh,
I
wait.
did not like that.
You didn't like that he was quiet for the dad and the...
Yeah, even though the dad said thank you and all that. It was very weird to me.
I thought it was going to be like something
Was it a race thing?
crazy, but yeah, that's...
Well, the guy that ran the store is some kind of Eastern.
Eastern, yeah.
And that the guy that paid, I think, was some Hispanic or something. I didn't like it.
Yeah. That'd be weird.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so we want to basically go down that road we were coming.
Are we going that way
Yeah,
again?
yeah.
Some beaches it collects more than others. Got it?
Yeah. Sure that the kids went to go take a nap or go home with Leah.
Do I start talking?
Yeah.
Okay. This is why straws are a problem. I found that on the beautiful beach. And I only walked like 30 meters.
That's not a good rant voice. You gotta do it again in a rant voice.
In a rat voice?
Like that, yeah.
What's a rat voice? A
Rant.
rant.
Exactly like that. No, rant. R-A-N-T.
Rant.
Rant.
So what should I say? You gotta help me here.
Say it again.
This is why straws are a problem. I walked 30 meters on a beautiful beach on Lake Michigan and I found this many in 30 meters. Imagine all the coastlines.
All right, now
Terrible.
for the American listeners, 30 meters.
I don't know. What's a meter?
Is it 25
roughly
yards?
3 feet, 90 feet?
How many yards? 30 yards then.
Give or take.
All right.
It's not. They're not exactly alike, but they're close.
Well, yards are 3 feet.
Right. Meters are
like
kind of like
2.5?
that. Yeah, something
Okay.
like that.
All right.
Put the math when you do the video.
Rant done.
Yeah.
I don't edit any of these.
Oh, you don't? You don't put any graphics? You put some graphic at the bottom.
I don't have time for that.
A meter is this long.
I'll just have you explain it now.
I don't remember. Ethan, what's a meter?
It's 1,000 centimeters.
There.
right?
A yard is 3 feet.
Yeah.
1,000 centimeters. And a
Is that correct?
centimeter
Is that correct? I have no idea.
is like what, 3/4 of an inch?
I don't know.
Just look it up on the
Just
Google
Google
brain.
it. Just Google it.
I don't know if he's still doing it. That was just like the first week. I did notice like the last time I went in the classroom where he was.
Hey, Tess, look at that
He
boo-boo
was-
on the apple.
Can you show?
participating.
Can you come here and show the camera?
Boo-boo.
Yes, I see the boo.
Everett,
Good,
what
eat
happened?
it.
Who is that?
Show people, show Dad your boo boo on Herrick.
Who, who is it?
A boo-boo.
No, what's his
I
name?
wish they would make markers out of something not plastic.
I gotta put a name on him.
Fruit
loves Everett got boo-boo.
Oh, Fruit Loves Everett? Oh, he's got boo boo. Here you go.
Bamboo? They can have
Evelyn, Evelyn, can I see your rock?
It's most absorbent fiber.
What do you got?
Movable.
He doesn't have a boo-boo.
Oh, he's winking.
Yeah.
Or he got poked in the eye. Did he get poked in the eye?
Then you
No.
can figure
No?
out
Okay, you can take him. You gonna drop more?
you're in.
This wet sweater over here.
Hey, where's Mama's out?
Hey, leave. Did you say bye? You ever what you found? So Evelyn found this old nail.
Yeah. And
Did you see this old nail? Do you want to say thanks for watching?
thanks for watching. Look what I found.
Look what Everett found. All right. What else do you want to say?
I believe that's my toy. It's not from the beach. I didn't bring it from the beach.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please.
Don't forget to strike for a video. And bye-bye for now.
Bye. No.
I dropped the.